So guys, destination fast approaching. Almost reached after like 40 to 45 minutes of a climb. Just trying to get a grip and climb, and that's the entrance. So it's actually a fun vlogging with the fellow blogger. We have the Vagabond Doctor with us, who's vlogging aside, and we have other friends and family members with us. Hello folks, this is your friend, तुमचा दोस्त बॅकपॅकर बंड्या, आणि आम्ही आज चाललोय रामशेज किल्ल्यावर, जो नाशिक जवळ आहे. सकाळी जवळजवळ 5:30 वाजता उठलो आणि वी स्टार्टेड अराउंड 6:15-6:30 फ्रॉम Kalyan Dombivli, and it took around 4 hours for us to reach here. So it's like a good kacha rasta while going, and the best is yet to come once we reach the destination. So stay tuned, stay with us for beautiful surroundings like this, and lush green scenery along the way. Like I said, you should come here for the scenery. Look at the valley. The person who is afraid of heights, like little afraid of heights, would find this place a bit risky, dangerous, if you see the downfall from here. But yes, the surrounding here is really nice. Have to be a bit cautious while climbing these stairs. Thank God, and I am rather wearing my mountain climbing shoes. Okay, a little bit about Ramshesh Fort. I'm going to break it out for you. So Ramshesh, okay, so this is where Lord Rama used to rest while he was here. So Lord Rama. Shej in Marathi, or actual colloquial Marathi, is taking a nap or a sleep. So that's Ramshej. After finishing this climb, I would not call it a trek, because it's not actually a trek. It's just like walking through the man-made steps here. We'll be going around, and we'll see a lot of temples which are nearby. Can you see that green thing, the green structure? It's like we have to reach there. तिकडे पोचायचं आहे. हार्डली आय थिंक हे गावाला सांगत होते पायथ्यापासून ते वरपर्यंत जायला they take only 15-20 minutes. It'll take much longer time for us to reach there, because if you see route is completely rocky. So guys, destination fast approaching. Almost reached after like 40 to 45 minutes of a climb. Just trying to get a grip and climb, and that's the entrance. Chalo. Of course, Lord Rama temple just at the entrance. Okay, we'll go inside while coming in. Chalo guys. Okay, there seems to be like a small spring kind of thing. So it is specifically saying don't wear your shoes in Marathi. So again, while coming in, we'll be able to go inside. Let's explore here first. Chalo. So finally made destination वर पोचलो आम्ही. Look here. So nice way of telling people to avoid this slippery slope, because I'm very sure that during the rainy seasons it would be very like mushy, slimy, and people should not climb this. That's the reason they've written this in Marathi, khali pahun chala, which means like look down before you climb up. And they've drawn a picture of a deity over there. So, taking you fast forward.
Water system.
Okay, there's a water system ahead over here. Okay. This would definitely be very cold and like with a lot of soothing effect. वरून बघा किती छान ना सुंदर व्ह्यू आहे. समोर तुम्हाला ते दिसतंय देवीचं देऊळ आहे. आता वाजलेत 11:55, ऑलमोस्ट 12 वाजलेत. ऊन पण खूप वाढतंय, त्यामुळे आम्ही आता खाली उतरायच्या बेतात आहोत. एकदा फक्त समोर तिथे झेंडा लावला आहे, तिकडे जरा एक पटकन जाऊन येऊया आणि मग खाली उतरायला लागूया. आता जे टोक आपल्याला दिसतं, जिकडनं आपण गाडी पार्क केली आहे त्या साईडला आपण आता आलोत. भगवा झेंडा आपल्या इथे फडकताना दिसतो. एक चांगलं आहे की इथे जास्त आता वारा नाही आहे. बघा किती सुंदर छान असं दृश्य. अ ब्युटिफुल लँडस्केप फ्रॉम द हिलटॉप, फ्रॉम द माउंटेन, from the fort Ramshej, just for you guys. So we took around 4.5 hours to reach here from Kalyan, and we came by car, so it was quite cheap in a way because we contributed say around 800 rupees per person. The other way where you can travel to this place is by train. You have to get down at Nashik Road, and from there you have to come to the Nashik Road bus stand, and then maybe a rickshaw or a local bus to reach here. But yeah, if you're carpooling, it is the best way to travel here. So done with the walk on the fort. Let's go down, and then we'll try and explore the nearby temples in this area. Once again, you are in Nasik and you are on Fort Ramshej. So this completes small walk trek to the mighty or semi-mighty fort which we had just been to, and again that is the fort. आज तो किल्ला तिकडनं आम्ही आता खाली आलोय. आता त्यानंतर जेवायचं आणि नंतर मग आसपासचा परिसर बघायचा. चला. सो वी फिनिश्ड आवर लंच आणि त्यानंतर आम्ही ठरवलं की ह्या जागी म्हणजे सीता गुफा जे स्थळ आहे तिकडे जावं. हीच ती जागा. इथे 5 वड आहेत आणि इकडनं सीता गुफाची एंट्री आहे. आतमध्ये फोटोग्राफी अवेलेबल नाही आहे, ते करता येत नाही.
जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना, क्या है वो बड़ा सा कालाराम मंदिर है.
अच्छा.
इधर देखा ना फोन. हाँ, ये सामने रामकुंड है ना. हाँ, अपन लोग आते थे, देखो यहाँ. हाँ. सब. अरे तो मेन आरती.
ये नाव है रामकुंड.
रामकुंड है ना.
हाँ. This is like a 5 minutes drive from the सीता गुंफा जिकडे आता आपण गेलेलो होतो. एकदम ओल्ड आर्किटेक्चर तुम्हाला इथे दिसेल.
ब्रिज क्रॉस करते हैं ना. रामकुंड वो है.
It is said that a dip in here is equivalent to taking dip in the river Ganga. So I'm going to try my bit and just sprinkle some water myself. And maybe a myth, but I just want to try. Maybe better. I mean, I might get lucky.
हाँ
This looks like an old lane of Kashi or Banaras. Of course, we Indians have to understand the importance of cleanliness, which you could see that it's lacking over here. So we have seen nearby places in and around Nasik city, and now it's time to go home. So we all packed and all set to drive down to our destination back again. Hope you have liked this video. आणि तुम्हाला जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर नक्कीच लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. See you again in the next video. Thank you.